Advantage, consequences, benefit of promoting your account or videos as a content creator in 2020. I know many of you might be confused of what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, what is he talking about by promoting your account or doing? Yes, promoting is going to benefit you. It's going to benefit you in different particular ways, in different multiplicity of ways that you might never expect it. But I promise you, yeah, there are some things you need to know or something you don't know about you promoting your account or your videos as a content creator. First of all, before I go into details about this particular thing, about disadvantages and advantage of promoting your videos and or your account, all of that, let me tell you something. The everything you will fall into temptation. Let me tell you, you're gonna fall into temptation of the algorithm, and I'm also gonna be telling you things to have also experienced. Now, before I go straight to the particular video, if you haven't yet, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe and hit that particular button, and let's go straight into the video. Now, let us talk about the disadvantages of promoting your videos. First of all, one, temptation. Yes, you might be wondering what I mean by temptation. Before you promote your videos, somebody has to tell you that you need to promote your video in order to boost your followers or views or whatever. First of all, this comes from the algorithm. Yes, this comes from the algorithm. The algorithm will tell you that you should promote your video so you can get more viewers, so you can get more. And some of you and will not even think of that. You just go and boost your videos or boost your flash or anything. You won't even care about what's going to go on. All you care about is the views and the thing. But you are doing it the wrong way. Number two, the algorithm. Yes, the algorithm will frustrate to the extent that you won't even imagine. Let me say right now, and there are so many reasons why many people might want to promote their videos, but they don't know the reason why the promoting features is available for content creators to use. Yes, the algorithm will be frustrated to promote your videos. Yeah, I understand. I understand that the views you want are not working. Let me say, for example, right now you do something that's very good, so you are so very disappointed and you got a low view, then you go and boost it, but you don't know what the constant thing is going to happen. Yes, let me tell you something. The algorithm track the algorithm knows the people weak points. The algorithm knows content creator weak points, and the weak point is views and not getting followers and not get people to comment, share, or whatever. That is your key point. Then they will advise you. Then they will advise you to not to advise you. So whenever you have low views, whenever you're scrolling on your for you feed or your own page or your whether YouTube, Facebook, or whatever, they will pump also like boost your account so you can get more views. Number three is money. You will need money in order to be able to boost your account. Yes, you will need particular money. The boosting or promoting is not for free. Many of you don't understand why this promotion is available for people to be able to use. Don't you? Don't it doesn't just exaggerate from nowhere. It comes because of YouTube, a platform like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. They allow this feature for people to use, and you know that's gonna be beneficial to you. Let me tell you, when you boost, yes, when you boost, the algorithm recommend you to random people that yes, random people from different countries, from different views, and mostly I could identify when somebody boosts their account. Yes, I know when somebody boosts their account. Yes, I know when somebody does. So when you use your money to promote, it's not gonna work. There are different ways that you can try to do. Let me tell you, if you keep on using your money to boost your account, to keep on boosting and boosting and boosting, I promise you, the day you don't boost your account, I promise you, the day you don't boost your account, you are gonna get more views. Let me tell you, if the platform says that you are promoting your videos consistently, you are promoting your videos, you're not growing organically. Yes, you're not growing organically. Let me tell you, your videos will not go anywhere. They will want you to keep on, they want to keep on promoting and promoting. So whenever the day that you don't promote the day you don't promote your videos, you're gonna get low views, like 100 views, 50 views, and you'll be so very convinced, how this happen. We're expecting your things to go viral, boom. But when you boost, nothing now. Audience retention. Yes, audience retention. The platform says that they want audience retention, that they want people to be stuck on that platform. Yes, let me tell you, to get on monetization on platform like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, they say that they want organic viewers. Listen to me, they say that they want organic viewers. And we all know that you that is promoting your videos, you are not growing organically. They are not organic views. They are not organic things. You are promoting. You are promoting. They are not real human beings. They are promoting. So what is the point of promoting your videos if they are not humans? Like if they're not like, so what is the point? So there's no point or gain or whatever you have to do with posting or doing whatever or promoting. It sucks when you do that. And the last one on my list, yes, the last one on my list is location. Yes, location. When you let me say, for example, now you promote your videos when you're monetized. Yes, you promote your video when you're monetized. Let me tell you something. When you promote your videos, your views will mostly come from countries that you never expected, like African countries. They will not come from Europe countries. Let me say it will mostly come from bad countries. Let me finally say for a country that they mostly get number one on my list is Indian. You will get views from Indian, Philippines, China, yes, China, Bangladesh, all those African poorest countries. Those particular countries, they are not working. Yes, they are not working. I don't know what perfect word to use for the particular thing, but they are not eligible for things. If you get monetization for exactly and you boost your particular videos, you're still not gonna get paid. Yes, your paid currency is gonna be so very low because countries like that has lowest CPM. I don't know if you are getting me. I don't know if you are literally getting me or working with me. Now, let us talk about the advantage of promoting your videos. I'm sure by the ending of this particular video, when I've already explained to you about the advantage and disadvantage and the consequences and the benefit of promoting your account or boosting your account, you'll be able to think next time when you want to promote or boost. Number one on my list is faster audience growth. Promoting your videos will help you discover people that you have never met before. It will give you the amount of views, basically the amount of money that you input. Yes. So yeah, the benefit is that you're gonna discover many people, you're gonna get quick views, you're gonna get quick followers and many others. Number two is increased growth. Increased growth here is going to help you get notified people that doesn't follow you, people that doesn't follow your content. They are going to notify them. Other people will be able to engage in your content and all of that. They're going to engage your content just in a while. And again, the thing is that these people are random people. You're not going to community. That's it. So and the film mostly come from random people, brands, and many others. Number three on my list is opportunity for collaborations. When you promote your video, the advantage thing is that there's a possible chance, there's a 50% chance that you might get collaborated with somebody, like you might get fees, you might get brands on collaboration and all of that. When brands see that you're getting more views and all of that, your followers are increasing. The last one on my list is better data and feedback. When you boost or your or promote your particular videos, yeah, you'll be able to get more analysis, more data on how your videos are performing and performing and performing and performing. Now, let us talk about the consequences. Yes, the real consequences. I know that I've talked about the disadvantage and the advantage, but you need to know more about the consequences. Yes, these consequences is going to be straightforward. Monetization. I know many of you are posting or promoting your account so that you can get monetization so very quick. But the thing is that you don't know is that the platform once said if everybody platform they want organic viewers. They want platforms so that people can be stuck in that account. They want more people to be active. Yes. So if you are boosting or promoting your account, there's a 100% chance that you will not get content monetization, because to get content monetization on every platform, you need to have organic viewers, audience retention, and many other thoughts. Now, the next one on my list is you might get banned. Yes, you might get banned. I know many of you are confused. Yes, many of you are confused that if the platform is asking me to keep on boosting or promoting my thing, why can't? Why I will I get banned? But you will get banned. If they see that you are doing this more often, most of your views are not coming from real viewers, real human beings, There is a possible chance that you will get banned for rubbish content, like for promoting and promoting and promoting and promoting and promoting. Yes, you will surely get banned if you don't know as of early 2026. Especially the moment when you will get banned is if you don't use a platform boost or promote thing. If you go and use any other platform, any other app that allows you to boost your social media account, I promise you you'll get banned straightforward. Yes, you're surely gonna get banned. Things you need to know, you're surely gonna get banned. To my knowledge, best of review, what I know about this particular the consequences, the most major one that you're surely gonna suffer from it is that if you don't have money, even that you don't have money to keep on boosting your content, please don't boost, because when you keep on boosting it, the algorithm will want you to keep on boosting and boosting and boosting and boosting and boosting and boosting until you are tired. Yes, they want you to waste your money on top of views and all that. And there's no point of you doing that if you're not gonna gain from it. If 100% chance of you gaining is low. To my knowledge, based on review, my advice is that the only time I can say that you can boost your content is if what you are posting is important. Like, let me say you are advertising a brand, for example, and the one that particular views didn't get to the amount of views that you need, or the amount of people to meet people you need to discover. You cannot promote, but you're not promoting on random content on none of that. You're not gonna benefit from it. The only time I can say that you're gonna benefit from it if you promote your thing is if you want to promote a brand and that brand didn't, and that views or people you didn't get it. That's when I advise you to what will you gain? Benefits. Now let's talk about the benefits. Will you gain from it or will you lose? Let's talk about the gain and profit. Okay, there is a 50% chance that you might gain from promoting or boosting. There's a 50% chance. That is if you have the money to. But if you don't, there's a 100% chance that you will fall. So I advise you to use your brain. And I hope this particular video was able to teach you. Now I hope now you'll be able to know whether you wanna boost, you wanna promote. I'm sure you'll be able to know everything about boosting and promoting your account as a content creator. If this video found very helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel Vibe with Speedy. I see you on my next one. Bye.